Hello everybody, today I have a Brother MFC JA85DW all-in-one network printer. So here it is. Let's read. It's easy to set up. It's got a touch screen that's 2.7 inches. Sorry, my talking isn't good because I have, my pronunciation isn't that good because I have a canker sore in my mouth right now, like a really bad one. But just got this, just picked it up. Here it is. You can Google print. Got it for a really good deal. Got it for about 60 bucks. It's normally about 200 bucks, so really good deal. Yeah, Wi-Fi direct, whatever. Free lifetime technical support. It says it saves paper and uses really little ink. So here's all the features. Oh, it supports Windows 7, Windows 8, Mac, and Windows 10, whatever. But let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside here. Plus, my camera is really heavy right now, and I have a canker sore in my mouth, so it's really difficult to make a video now. But I figure it's been a while since I hasn't done a video, so I'll do it. Let's I think that's all the accessories, so I'm gonna set that aside. And user's manual, I'm gonna read that. And here's the printer itself. So I'm gonna bring the printer onto the floor, which makes unboxing easier. That's so heavy. Tip it onto its side. Here's all the cords. It looks like a phone cord or something. I don't know what it is. Oh yeah, it is a phone cord. Thought it's just wiring. This thing does fax. Yeah, and here's the plug. I'm sorry about the low lighting, guys. This room isn't my office isn't well lit. There's just one 60-watt bulb, but foam and more foam. It's hard to hold my Pentax video camcorder right here. Like I said, it weighs about 2 pounds or whatever, but yeah, here it is. I'm trying my best to not to shake. And here's more user's manual. Yeah, all I can see is stop. I'm gonna read that and I'm gonna set this up later. So once I finish setup, I'll put that on a table and I'll show you more of it. So here's the printer itself. Here's the aerial review of the area. So I'm gonna set up, because it's hard to set up while holding the camera, so I'm gonna set up off cam and then I will show you what it looks like after it's set up. So here it is, the Brother printer. I finally finished setting it up. It took me a good half an hour to install the software onto my computer, but here it is. I'm gonna switch it on real quick. It's nice. You can actually fold this paper tray thing away right here. Yeah, here it is. It looks really, you can actually adjust the monitor too, which on my old HP DeskJet you can do it. Maybe wondering where the printer have gone. I sold it because it uses too much ink. This one is although it's a DeskJet, but it uses a lot less. That's what they advertise, but here it is. So here's all the ink cartridge, and it even tells you that it's open, but here's 4 of them. It's Brother. Here's the black, and here's all the different colors. Of course, this thing is, yeah, it's tiltable. It's loaded with tons of features. You can put apps on it. You can fax and copy. If you go into settings, it's wireless too. Like, it's not even, this is just connected to your phone, but it doesn't even have an Ethernet place to connect Ethernet cables. So It's really nice that it works over Wi-Fi. Yeah, and here's the scan lid. Why is it coming? Oh yeah, that's what it's supposed to be. But here's how you scan and photocopy. Yeah, you can also photocopy it this way too. So just put the paper in if it's single sheets or multi sheets, but you can't have any staples on it. But here it is. I usually normally like it this way, but I put it away just to demonstrate. But yeah, it's my favorite way. But the paper tray is just below it. This is actually an unboxing and a review video, so as you can see, it's all connected to Wi-Fi and stuff. Yeah, paper tray is open, I know. I'm trying to... It's hard to open it up with this, so I'm gonna close it and show you about this. It's a removable paper tray as well, so as you can see, you can totally... It prints reverse as well, so which saves half of the paper. But you can easily slide it back in. So instead of loading paper the original, like the conventional way, you can actually remove the whole tray and you can, you know, and then load the paper on. But you can actually do this too, which is nice. It's what I like. You know, it looks more cool, and it's so. And if you open the whole lid, this is how you fix jam taper and stuff, so really convenient to use. Just gonna close it. You can print on it. You can actually print on a phone as well. So that's pretty much it for this Brother print all-in-one printer unboxing and you know, Inkjet all-in-one unboxing and review video. Hope you guys enjoy it. As always, stay tuned for more videos and stay subscribed as always, guys. You know the drill. Stay subscribed.